മാധ്യമങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയാണ്
from distance somebody shows black flag, but if somebody comes near my car, then I will get down. I get down from the car, and what I saw, in fact what I saw, that is not important. Important is, according to police, there were 17 people, and you can count the number of policemen who are present here at the moment. How many policemen were there? And my only question is, if Chief Minister was passing by this road, will police stand with persons holding black flags and allow them to hit the car? This is, I'm not blaming the police. Be clear in your mind. Why I'm not blaming the police? Because police, they also have to take their orders from the superior authorities. And it is the Chief Minister of the state who is promoting lawlessness in the state. It is he who is giving direction to the police to give protection to these lawbreakers, who are, many of them are those against whom number of criminal cases are pending in the courts, including the president of the organization. I believe more than 40 cases are pending. So policemen are not to be blamed. It is Chief Minister who is promoting lawlessness in the state. It is he who is giving protection to these people, and they are only daily wagers of the party. You go, show black flag, hit the car, come back and take your payment. They are daily wagers of the Chief Minister. So it is Chief Minister who is responsible. The FIR is here. They have booked 17 people. I'm going by their version. Although I have seen with my own eyes, there were more than 50 people. But I accept 17 people were there. If 17 people were there, the number of policemen who are there, should they not have removed them before I arrived there? But they can't remove. Why they can't remove? Because Chief Minister wants them to do this. That is why they cannot remove them. So that is all. This is a fight against anybody or any party. I have nothing to do with that. But as head of the state, lawlessness shall not be tolerated.
So that means police allows them to protest against you.
No, protest is no problem. Why hit my car?
They hit your car.
They have hit my car. Then only I said it in Trivandrum. If you will show black flag, I don't mind. But if you hit my car, I will get down. I won't. They had damaged the car last time. They came and they did it. I immediately got down from the car, so I do not know whether the car has been damaged today also or not. But they did it again today. And the number of policemen was definitely larger than the number of those who were having the black flags. So my question is, if Chief Minister was passing by this road, will the police allow them to stand here? What treatment police meted out to those who came near the bus of the Kerala Sadas?
Governor, but some ministers have already established communications against you. They are saying that you are just showing there,
You are just media man.
Okay, fine. So these 50 people, I have brought them here to enact the drama. No, you are accusing me, but you have the common sense and brain. You should ask them whether I brought those 50 people here.
But they have already asked them, but they are raising their point.
What is their point? Why these 50 people were here? I brought them here. Secondly, tell me one thing. They are not local people. They will use some vehicle to come here. Will they use or not? They all have been arrested and there is no vehicle here. They were brought in police cars. And after arrest, they were put into the same cars and taken to the police station.
That means police gave them full license to protest against.
Police has not given them license when the Chief Minister holds the Home Department. So it is under the instructions of the Chief Minister what policemen can do. What can they do?
This is a failure of
This is not my protest. Why I will protest? I can take action. Why I will protest? I was waiting for the report to come. I want to have me so that I can send it to the central government.
This is a failure of state home affairs.
They are possibly you do not remember. I have said it earlier that this government has already admitted in the Honorable High Court of Kerala that they are not in a position even to pay pensions, even to pay under social security scheme. So in order to divert attention from their failure, they are doing these things to provoke some drastic action. But I have said earlier, I am not going to oblige them.
Will you report this to central government? Will you report this to central government?
Matter will be reported, but you have not heard carefully what I said earlier. They want to, by organizing attacks against the governor, they want to provoke some drastic action in order to divert attention from their failures. And I am not going to oblige them. Thank you. It is not question of satisfaction. Sections, yes, fine. Sections, yes, fine. But number is 17. Then it raises the question, why 17 people with so many policemen? Why they were not? Because Chief Minister instructions are there. Therefore, they can't act against them.
After your 1 minute speech in Niyama Sabha, many ministers are saying that you are facing lot of health issues. That's why you ended your speech in 1 minute.
Well, they have. Everybody is entitled to their opinion, and now you can look at me.
Sir, are you going?
ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ മാധ്യമങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹം എല്ലാ വിമർശനങ്ങളും ഉന്നയിക്കുന്നത് മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിക്കെതിരെ തന്നെയാണ്. മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയാണ് പോയതെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കുമോ സുരക്ഷാ സംവിധാനം ഒരുക്കുക പോലീസുകാർ എന്നുള്ള വലിയ ചോദ്യം അദ്ദേഹം ഉന്നയിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇത്തരത്തിൽ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിക്ക് നേരെയാണ് ഒരു പ്രതിഷേധം ഉണ്ടായത് എങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കുമോ പോലീസ് പെരുമാറുക എന്നും അദ്ദേഹം ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം ആ വാഹനത്തിൽ അതുവഴി കടന്നു പോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് അവിടെ നിന്ന് പ്രതിഷേധക്കാരെ നീക്കാൻ പോലീസുകാർക്ക് സാധിക്കുമായിരുന്നു. എന്നാൽ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ നിർദ്ദേശപ്രകാരമാണ് ഇത്തരത്തിൽ അവിടെ നിന്ന് പ്രതിഷേധക്കാരെ നീക്കാഞ്ഞതും ഇത്തരത്തിൽ പ്രതിഷേധക്കാരെ അണിനിരത്തുന്നതും മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ നിർദ്ദേശപ്രകാരം തന്നെയാണ്. ഇത്തരത്തിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് നേരെയുള്ള പ്രതിഷേധങ്ങളെല്ലാം മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ നിർദ്ദേശപ്രകാരമാണെന്നും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് കൃത്യമായ സുരക്ഷ ഒരുക്കാത്തത് പോലീസിന് അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ നൽകുന്നതും പോലീസിനെ നിയന്ത്രിക്കുന്നതുമെല്ലാം മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയാണെന്നുള്ള ആരോപണമാണ് ഗവർണർ മാധ്യമങ്ങളോട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉന്നയിച്ചത്. ഇത്തരത്തിൽ അദ്ദേഹം വീണ്ടും എടുത്തു പറയുന്നത് അവിടെ പ്രതിഷേധക്കാർ നേരത്തെ എത്തിയിരുന്നതാണ്. 50ഓളം പ്രതിഷേധക്കാരുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അവരെ നിയന്ത്രിക്കാൻ ഇത്രയും പോലീസുകാർ മാത്രം മതിയായിരുന്നു. തനിക്ക് സുരക്ഷയൊരുക്കാൻ ഇത്രയും കുറഞ്ഞ എണ്ണത്തിലുള്ള പോലീസുകാർ മാത്രമാണോ വരേണ്ടത്? മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിക്കായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കുമായിരുന്നില്ലല്ലോ സ്ഥിതിഗതികൾ എന്നുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഗവർണർ ഇപ്പോൾ മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ ഉന്നയിച്ചത്.